You're gonna eat that? That's insane.
Yeah, we want to see chewing motion too.
Come on, hurry up.
Chew this dude.
Hold up.
Faster, faster.
Harder, faster.
Chew that. Oh, chew it. Chew it. Oh, he pikes.
Did you swallow?
Chew.
You'll be red, Adam.
You alright, man?
Oh.
You alright?
Oh, you're too nice, Jason. You're right.
You okay?
Another one?
You want me to pat your back?
That wasn't very exciting at all.
Oh.
Or maybe the after effect
Oh,
will be.
fuck. Oh.
You alright?
Bad, man.
It's getting hot in here.
Oh.
You getting a head rush, Adam? Adam! Oh, that was beautiful.
He'll be like that, yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Grab another chili, it'll make you feel better.
Yoga though.
Yay! That's my kitchen bench.
Oh. You alright, man?
Are you sweating or what? I can't see any sweat. I'm disappointed.
Drank a liter.
Eat another one.
He's got tears in his eyes.
You're hardcore, man. I mean, top points.
How can we upstage this one?
You can get video footage from when it comes out the other end.
That yogurt. Oh, you can do that.
No, you just sort of
That yogurt is going to mix so well with the bourbon. Bourbon, chili and yogurt.
How can you eat so much, man? Is it burning or something?
Can you speak or what? Make sure you're clean. Oh, I don't need to listen. Jason, you have to videotape that bit.
So they're nice and keep that nice and spice. And the other two things, I've got two alcohols. We've got a ruby port and a red wine. Now the secret when we're using alcohol is a wine.
Finished or what? Well, if it doesn't gross you out, you can push record. This is the big silver one. Cal?